Hello YouTube friends, TeresaLouise here, and I'll be darned if today I didn't get my Sew Sampler box in the mail. This is the box for September, so let's get it open. I haven't opened it yet. Here we go. I haven't peeked, so I don't know what's in it. I know that other people have posted, but oh, it's so hard not to peek. Because I just would like to know what is in the box, right? Here we go. The adventure awaits. Cool. And we usually get a coupon. I can't share that with you, but we did. We got $10 off any fat quarter bundle purchase of $50 or more. Cool. $10 off. I'm going to have to go check that out. Awesome. Okay, so got that. Ooh, this looks nice. Here's our little card. Tells us everything that's in the box. I'll just set it over here. All right. Here's what's in the box. Cool. Ooh, looks like we got some back quarters, you guys. I'll start with the notions. Wow, we got some nice notions this time. This looks like it's going to be a really good box. This is a thread cutter. Looks like you put that on your finger. It's a ring designed for the finger. It has an adjustable Velcro strap, so one size fits all, basically. And then, yeah, you just go along and cut your strings. I have seen these. I've never tried them, but I'd be willing to give it a try. Oh, and it says it as seen on Shark Tank. You guys watch that show? I don't. I think I've seen it like one time. But I don't have regular TV, so there's that. Oh, wow. Looks like we got a template. And it's a small bow template for the small bow cozy. Oh, cool. And it is Creative Grid. Made in the USA. Yay. Huh, I've never tried that. I haven't never made one of these bowl cozies. Been thinking about it, so this be my chance. Cool. This is nice to have, especially this time of year with Christmas coming. That'll be awesome. Oh, I forgot to tell you the prices, huh? Better do that. Okay, the thread cutter, $11.98. Ooh, that's kind of steep. I was thinking more like, $7.98 or around there. All right, and this template is $13.98. That sounds about right for a ruler or template. And then we got some of this stuff called Flatter. And that's nice, really nice that they put this in a baggie just in case. So, yeah, because that'd be terrible if that got on your fabric. I've never used this, but I have heard that it works really well. And it says, I think the smell I got is yuzu. Never heard of that. This is a $8.98 value. So your seams will lay flatter. So I want to smell it. It's got a little seal thing. Oh. Kind of smells like hairspray. But I will give it a try. It's just a little bottle. Okay. little sample bottles, but hey, I'd love to try it. And $8.98 for this. I think I said that already. I think I'll just leave that out. All right, let's get to the fabric. What do we have this month? Belle Isle. Moda. Cool. All right, let's get it open. Looks like some blues, florals. I'm not really a floral girl. But that's all right. At least it's back quarters, right? How much is this bundle? $24.98. 8-piece fat quarter bundle. Yeah, cool. Well, let's take a look at it. Sorry about the pauses there. Ooh, it's very pretty. Nice feeling fabric. I think this would make an awesome project bag. Right? I think so, yeah. And then, oh, it's kind of Americana, right? Yeah, red, white, and blue. This next one especially, it has little flags in with the flowers. That one. That one is pretty. Far enough away that you could fussy cut those if you wanted. Very nice. Figure out how they folded these. And this one is the same pattern, but it's kind of on the pink side. It's hard to see. Okay, there. Very nice. It is kind of a salmony pink, maybe, I guess. Very light. It's pretty. Definitely Americana, because here comes the stars. Blue stars. It's nice. And then some paisleys. Cool. Ooh, I like this one. This one's probably my favorite. Very pretty. And then this small blue, I kind of like this one too. And then a darker blue, same pattern. Well, those are very nice. Now, put them all back together and show you again. Very pretty. I was going to say I didn't feel like this one really, you know, goes, but the lines, the small lines in it are kind of red. And those flowers do have some peach in there, so peachy pink. Probably go okay. Yeah, well, let's look at the pattern. Probably something Americana-like. Very nice. Here's the pattern. And for this pattern, you get a throw size quilt, and it'll be 8. Use all 8 of the fat quarters, and then you need a 1 3/4 yards of background, and then 1/8 or 5/8 of a yard for binding. 3 1/4 yards for backing, and you get a 48 by 48 size quilt. Well, 48 and a half. Instead of doing the quilt, you could do 4 pillows. So that's kind of nice. Each pillow would be 24 and a half by 24 and a half. Or the quilt. Nice. I like it that they give you 2 different options there. And then this is block number 6. And let me show that to you. That will be 9.5 by 9.5 inch. It's a nice block. Cool. What do you guys think? Did you get this box? Let's add it up and see what it comes to, okay? I think this was a really good box. I really do. Even though, you know, typically I wouldn't gravitate towards this floral stuff, but, you know, I can still use it, and I really like getting the fat quarters, and you can mix them with other things. So I'm going to add this up real quick. So I'm just going to round up $24.98, so 25 plus 9 plus the bow cozy 14, $12 for the ring, then plus $10 for the pattern, plus $4.98, $5 for the block, and then that gives us $75 worth of value, retail value, for the stuff in the box. So I paid, the box is $24.99 a month, and plus shipping, which is, you know, $5, and then tax, so I pay around $32. So I'm just going to say minus 32 equals $43. Wow, that's great. And then if you don't add in the shipping, which, you know, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, because just about anything you get online, you have to pay shipping. So anyway, that is a really good value this month, I think. And I think for the most parts, I can use these things. And I could even make those bow cozies probably with fat quarters. So 8 fat quarters, bowl cozy template, flatter, and the ring, plus the patterns. What do you guys think? Do you get this box? Did you like it this month? Did you think it was a pretty good value? Let me know down in the comments, okay? Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye for now.